Which one does better? That's the question. Hello and welcome at Road to Detailing. My name is Victor and I appreciate you coming over to my channel today. In this video, I am gonna talk about a simple wheel wall cleaning using two products. One of them is going to be from Easy Car Care named Geo Gel, which is a strong alkaline and active foaming wheel cleaner, and it claims to foam up really well when you agitate it just with a brush. While at the other hand, I have Bilt Hamber Surfex HD, which is a very popular all-purpose cleaner, APC degreaser, used also just with a brush. And Bilt Humbers I am gonna use per instructions at 10:1, 10% dilution ratio, and the GeoGel from Easy Car Care, I'm gonna use it by neat. Which one goes better? That's a good question. Let's find out. Stay tuned, verdict at the end. For me, it's the Surfex HD, but let me explain my final thoughts on both products. First of all, cleaning power, not really a question, both did the job equally well. However, keep that in mind, I did only a simple wheel wall cleaning in this video. But I don't think if we would go further and do a deep cleaning on the wheels, I think the cleaning power is still not a question, none of the products, in my opinion. Moving forward to user experience, Easy Car Care's Geo Gel kept its promise, foamed up really well when I agitated with a brush. However, Bilt Hamber Surfex HD, it's a much nicer product to work with. I felt it more silky and lubricant, hence the early thumbs up when I started to agitate it with a brush. But which is the better value for your money? I think paying around £10 nowadays for a product like this is totally in a normal price range. For this kind of money, you've got 500 milliliter of product from Easy Car Care, and you've got 1 liter of product, which is already doubled for that kind of money from Bilt Hamber. And with that said, let's discuss it a little bit further. If I would use 500 milliliter of Surfex HD, I could make 5 liter of product at the recommended dilution ratio for wheel cleaning, which is 10%. That means it's 10 times more products than Easy Car Care's Geo Gel. So I can turn around from the fact Geo Gel cost 20 times more compared to Surfex HD because of the dilution ratio at the product. However, Easy Car Care has so many sales events, meaning you can get your hands on a Geo Gel by 50% off on a sales event, but it's still a huge difference between the two products, money-wise. And another bonus for Bilt Hamber Surfex HD, this is a multi-purpose cleaner, APC. That means the product itself is so versatile. You can use it for interior cleaning, also a pre-wash stage, either in a pump spray or in a foam lens. You can use it for wheel cleaning, wheel fenders included. And you can use this product anywhere from 1 to 20% dilution ratio depending on the job you would like to be done. All in all, this is a clear winner for me. The whole purpose of making this video was the experiment led by my curiosity, because my question to myself was, I really like the product Surfex HD overall, but can I get a better result if I'm using a dedicated wheel cleaner? In this video, I picked Easy Car Care's Geo Gel. Easy Car Care has mixed reviews, so I was really curious about the results. And however, this is performed really well, don't get me wrong, but I still, overall, because of value for money, I still pick the Surfex HD. If you would be interested for any of the products what I used in the video, you can find the link in the description below. If you made it this far, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. For more videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for upcoming videos. All your support helps the channel growing and it's much appreciated. For more content, you can find me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram at Road to Detailing, and consider to join to my Patreon family. If you have any questions regarding to the products in this video, or you just have a feedback, feel free to let me know in below at the comment section. Thanks for watching, thanks for being here, take care and see you soon.